What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're returning, thank you so much for the support. If you are brand new, hit that subscribe button underneath. It is 110% free, helps the channel out a lot. As for what we got here, we got a 2024 Kawasaki Ninja 500. We've been doing some upgrades. Got a couple of videos out on an exhaust windshield and the mirrors. Check those out if you are interested. As for today, I think we are going to delete this rear fender here and these big turn signals. We're going to get those tossed on and see what it looks like. A little quick unbox here of what we got. Don't judge me. Yes, this is still a top of my grill. All right, so this is the Fender Eliminator that I picked up off of Amazon here. Definitely got quite a few different adjustments for your liking there. Also has a LED tag light indicators that I got also off of Amazon. Comes with four. Some models have the ones that look like this out the front. This one doesn't have it. It's built into the plastics. I did forget to get the resistors, but I ordered those. Go ahead and get these tossed on and see what we come up with. Got a couple connectors in here. Top one is going to be the brake, which we're not going to mess with, so we can kind of put out to the side so you can see the there's 4 Allens here. You can really see that. There's 2 more at the bottom and then 2 at the top here, which is going to drop this. We'll get these connectors off real quick so we can feed them through here and three connectors we're going to be working with. This black one right here is going to be for the tag light. This gray one right here is going to be for the left turn signal. Black one right here is going to be for the right turn signal. And again, we're just going to splice them into the resistors and then resistors into the blinkers. All right, so got these pulled. Now we're going to go and hit these 4 Allen keys. It is a 5mm. So let's get those snatched real quick and so got this guy out. I went ahead and pulled this boot out that the Canon plugs go through. This last Canon plug here that looks like, if you look underneath, it goes to the tag light under here. It's kind of big. So if you leave the boot in connected to the bike, it doesn't want to kind of slide through. You can see the hole at the bottom and then the Canon plug doesn't quite go through there. So probably go ahead and splice the tag light to the new one that came with the kit. Still waiting on the resistors to come in. Once they come in, I will go ahead and splice these to the resistors and get those plugged up. Just kind of wanted to make sure everything worked. So we'll put these quick disconnectors on there and everything and get this put in. Got the resistors, so I ordered those. Unfortunately, they got delayed a couple of days, so it's like a week later, but I got it all finished up. I'll give you, I'll wrap this up and kind of give you just a finished product, if you will. I will mention this Fender Eliminator kit, unfortunately, is not like a plug and play kind of system or whatever. I unfortunately had to drill into the bottom of the plastic here because I don't know if you can see the original holes here. It just it didn't fit right here. So unfortunately I had to drill my own holes here. And then I got all these wired in, and so it went from blinker to resistor and then resistor to the original wiring for the blinkers, and came out good, looks good. I definitely contemplated drilling into this, doing some research. I believe if you look up Ninja 400s, they make these little Fender Eliminator kits that are plug and play pretty much, that go into the factory Fender came out of. So again, it looks good now that it's all finished up. See how they came out. I like the LED tag light. They also have brake lights, so wired that up as well. Here, got it all put back together and everything. So yeah, I just tied the brake lights into the existing brake light here, obviously, and then like I said, from the blinkers to the resistor, you can't see the resistors there very well, and then into the factory wire harness for the blinkers. So all right guys, thanks so much for watching. Again, I will leave the link in the description for the Fender Eliminator kit, as well as the blinkers and the resistors that I got. My suggestion would be do a little more research as far as the Eliminator Fender Eliminator kit goes. I think I seen one on Revzilla and I think Graves Motorsports. I think they have some that are supposed to be direct fit for these. This one did say it was for the 400. It didn't say it was actually for the 500, but from my understanding, the 400s are pretty much identical to these 500s. I'm not 100% sure myself because, like I said, I've never seen a 400. I don't know what it looks like underneath a 400 or anything like that. So it may be a direct fit, not sure. But again, this did say it was for the 400, so that's why I went ahead and bought it. But as you've seen, I had to do some modifications and stuff like that to make this one fit. So definitely do some research. The ones on Revzilla and Graves Motorsports are obviously a lot more expensive. I think they were upwards in the $100, $150 for that Eliminator kit when I only paid $20 for this one. So I guess you just kind of pick and choose your battles. If you want a cheap one, you're gonna have to do some modifications to make it work, or you can spend the money and get one that's a direct fit and probably a lot less hassle. But yeah, if you haven't already, like, subscribe, leave me a comment again. Let me know what you think of this one and these blinkers that I picked up. Again, I think it looks great, but yeah, stay tuned. I got a couple small things that I bought for it. I'm not going to bore y'all with a video for each one of those. I just do like a video on a couple of different things that I bought for it, upgrade wise. And yeah, we'll go from there. Stay tuned, guys. We'll see you on the next one.